Happy Saturday. It's July 26th and today I decided to vlog because we have come here. So me, my boyfriend and our friend, we have come here to Toronto we rented a couple of jet skis. I'm so excited. I'm just sitting in the car right now because they both have gone to talk to the person in charge. We have already signed the waiver and we're going to rent it for an hour. So for those wondering, the usual rate around here it's $150 for an hour and 2 people can ride one jet ski. So pretty excited for that. Just waiting for them to get everything sorted. And so I just came to the car to give you an intro quickly. I'm also super nervous because it's my first fear that the jet ski will tumble over or will get thrown into the water. So but I'm going to focus on the positives here, that we are getting to do this. It's something that we've been wanting to do for a long time and it's an experience and I'm so excited. So our friend has a GoPro with them, so we're gonna try to film ourselves on the jet ski with the GoPro. Hopefully we get some nice shots and videos, so let's see. So they're taking us to the location, taking us to the dock. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hey guys, it's way into the future now. It's August 2nd, Saturday, and how is it August already? I don't know. So today we are going to Toronto, and I think the last clip you saw of me was us jet skiing, and honestly it was so much fun and I think everyone should go. It was in Etobicoke, Humber Bay. Today we are going to Toronto for some breakfast at the Kettle, and they serve like Indian fusion kind of food, so pretty excited for that. And later we'll just go to St. Lawrence Market. I think they have a North Market and a South Market, so not sure if the North Market will be open. It's definitely open on Sundays, but for Saturday not sure. But we still have South Market to explore and I'm very excited about, I know I keep saying I'm excited, but I'm really excited because I've not been to a farmer's market in Toronto like ever. I'm looking forward to baked goods, like trying baked goods and getting some nice flowers, or if they have like a flea market open or something, not sure, but we'll see. So just looking forward to that. Okay, voiceover Khushbu coming in. Wanted to give a bit of a context here. We started off with some masala chai, which was so yum. My boyfriend ordered the Indian breakfast where you get a little bit of everything, and I went with their masala omelette and paratha. Safe to say the Kettle never disappoints. It just never misses. I think it's a whole close to home comfort thing. when we got to the market, it was so packed, so many people. You can see there are so many little shops and vendors everywhere. There was fresh produce, homemade breads, local everything. It smelled amazing, to be honest. I didn't end up buying anything because we just had brunch. I really wanted to get flowers though, but there weren't many flower shops in the south market except one, which I found to be super expensive. But of course, I had to grab flowers from somewhere by any means. So we went to this little shop around the area called Ginkgo Flower Design. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right, but it was a cute little flower shop. I did not film that unfortunately, but I got some daisies. After that, I just walked around the area for a bit, taking it all in. It's honestly one of my favorite parts of summer. And that was pretty much the day. Thank you for watching. There's the CN Tower again. Anyways, if you like this vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.